Hello traders, I am showing you my profit so you can understand how much I have made using this strategy. You can also use same strategy and make money. Let's go to the strategy. So today I'm going to share with Forex best strategy. But first we open USD JPY in M30 time frame. This strategy we need 3 indicator with default setting. First ATR stops indicator. Second CMF indicator. And third STC indicator. ATR stops indicator above green line, CHF indicator cross above 0 level line and STC indicator cross 70 level line with green color. Then we take a buy trade. Here is buy signal confirmation, we place buy trade here. We set stop loss previous candle low point. Set profit target 1 is to 2. We won this trade. ATR stops indicator below red line, CHF indicator cross below 0 level line and STC indicator cross 30 level line with red color. Then we take a sell trade. Here is sell signal confirmation, we place sell trade here. Set stop loss previous high point. Set profit target 1 is to 2. We won this trade. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.